Okay, so just picked up um, Knox dispensary, and I picked up from trulieve about a week ago. So, what I was actually doing is doing a review on some of the new Knox. I got this from Winter Garden Knox on delivery to my townhouse here in Tampa. This is some baldor. The drops was filled a little bit more than the other one, but not as much, but a little bit more. I already did some. Tastes a little richer and tastes newer actually than the other dispensary. Still a good dispensary though, of course, in St. Pete also. And but these came all new. Knox got new kind of cartridges. I don't know, they're brand new. They used to look like that. Now they look like this. And they're hitting way nicer, man. It tastes better, it feels better too. Just a new review. The drops are really good. Those are blue dream. That's blue dream. That's Harley Quinn Tsunami. And there it is out of its package in the Knox pen actually. It's got 3 settings on it. Then you have the trulieve. I just picked up a co2 for green crack. Super strong, man. 80%. Really strong sativa. It's really good though tasting. I feel like it goes by really quick though, but I like how they set it up and how it's hitting. I tried the trulieve True Clear into the True Pods, and it works fine actually, which is really cool. This is some Delta Blackberry Kush that is put into a True Pod, and then it works. It hits fine on the day. To trust it. So, and then this is the Sour Tsunami Canatonic from Curaleaf that I picked up. I picked up 3 of these. I have 2. I already smoked 1. I got 2 more left, which is this one and another one, which is a pretty nice strain also. Down to the book. You have Sour Tsunami, which is right here. I have all the ones marked off that I've had before, of course. But then you have Harley. There's Harley Tsunami right there. That's this right here. Then you have the Chem Dog I have inside my fridge. Girl Scouts hope you have inside the fridge also. Canatonics right there. Done. So Sour Tsunami and the Canatonic right here. Those 2 together make this right here from Curaleaf, which is Canst, which is really good. Yeah, love this book. Really nice book. I have all the different strains that are perfect for, what you have, or any kind of medical issues you have, and what the strain is, or anything that you wanted to know about the strains that you like. It's like a dictionary for it, or like a Pokédex, It's really nice. It's a cool book. But yeah, I've had most of the strains more than is in here. I've had this mixed with MK Ultra, but that's a different strain. That's a whole different strain. So, and then you have, this is that Move Now, which I can grab. So, and then, yeah, that's some of my music. Franco Fye on Google. FrancoStudio17.com. I'm over 77,000 streams already on my albums on Spotify. I'm getting paid, of course. It's on my Reverb show on the charts. It's more now. It's over 100,000 now. So waiting for money. I get paid every 10th on it. Pretty cool. Pretty happy, man. FrancoStudio17.com, of course, and Franco Motorsports. Franco Fye on Google.